Welcome back, guys, to Crypto4Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Quant QNT USDT trading pair, potential targets for 2023 and the next upcoming bull run with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Total supply and maximum supply is 14,881,000, 81% coins in circulation supply. So it looks really good, only 12 million coins circulation supply. Price now it's 100. Market cap now at this current moment over than 1 billion. Basically, if we take a look on the market cap in general, so the top of market cap was around 4.5 billions. And it was in September 2021. Price was around 422. If we go and double check this circulation supply, current circulation supply, and just count, for example, 300, the market cap have to be around 3 billion 600. If we count 500, the market cap have to be around 6 billion, around 1.61 level FIB. So basically, yes, this level is more than real to see in the upcoming bull run. I don't think so. We'll reach, for example, 980. The Quant have to reach 11 billions, almost 12 billions, almost 1,000. But most conservative price target, what we can achieve is this target, 1.61 level FIB. So this FIB is relevant. And if you take a look on this chart, if you watched my previous video, you can just quick look on this chart, you can determine what the main problem of Quant. Yes, you absolutely correct. We didn't touch 27 zone on weekly time frame. So basically, it's one of the main problem of Quant. The chart on Gate.io since February 2021. Here's the February 2021. The price, lowest price was $32 and top 426. This is a top. We drop it, find a support, collapse it down under zero level, and test, perfect test, made a perfect test, this monthly gap, retest it and reject, and test a 38 level FIB. Then we drop it down, try and breaking out 23 level FIB, and now stay around zero level. Most horrible scenario for Quant, what we can see under this price, what we got now, we get a major monthly gap. So this monthly gap is like a kind of like support now, main support level between 72 till 92. This is the range. If we break it out down, retest and reject, I guess the Quant have a big problem because we can drop even to $23 or even lower, 23, 0.18 level FIB. We can sweep this lows. The lower low was at $25 in May 2021. So we can drop and sweep it. And here, the main problem, we can drop 76% from this current price if we not hold this monthly gap. I hope we will hold it. And if we will hold it, the main question, if we will hold it, then the road will be open. Of course, you remember the chart BNB, TVT, Trust Wallet coin, for example, Matic. Not all coins drop it to 27 zone, So we can hold the line, bounce, and continue rally up to most conservative price for 2023. If we will see the altcoin season, is test a 0.5 level FIB and forming the full fill of this gap. But the bad news, we can form in something like this one. We can test even zero level, hold the line, bounce like this one, walk from level to level, and even test a 61 level FIB. And after that, we can crash to $23. So it's going to be pretty hard, Sooner or later, I guess we will see $23. Maybe not this year, maybe not this cycle, but next bear market definitely will drop to, I think, it's just my personal thoughts, will drop to $23 or even lower. So this is possible scenario, a positive scenario. Just keep in mind, positive scenario if we will see some altcoin season. And you can tell me, oh, it's not enough. But if we test $85, it can be 251% gains on a spot, and we'll be still in a downtrend, you know, something like this one. We can draw that trend line like this. We can break it out, retest, everybody open a long position in this area. So usually it works like this one. So when we're breaking out some resistance level, everybody open long, we make a fake out, drop it down, reject, and collapse it down. So it's most horrible scenario, you know, for most positive scenario and most horrible scenario for Quant in upcoming months or even years. This fib is relevant if we hold the line, maybe if after retest, the most positive scenario, we can go to this level, hold the line, retest this support block, and skyrocket to new all-time high, 1.61. Because people think, oh, 1 billion, 2 billion, 5 billions, 10 billions, it's not a big difference. You know, guys, it's a huge difference between millions and the billions. So just Google it and just imagine how big this number, you know, billions. So this is just main support level now and a main resistance level. If we take a look on this fixed volume range from this top to this bottom, we can see something like this one. So the main resistance now at this crucial level at 112. So this is the most crucial level. Main support will be around here, 56.41.
Now let's go and double check this chart with my customer care set. And I'll recommend you go and watch this big tutorial how to work with my indicator set 6-in-1.
ADZ. Based on ADZ, like you can see, we didn't form a divergence. So this is basically the bad signal because here. So everything just traded by trend. In 90% cases, we saw almost every altcoin format the divergence on a weekly. It's a bullish signal. But on the Quant, we didn't see any divergence, but didn't see any bearish divergence also. So we just can follow the trend. We can test like this one bottom, test this monthly gap, bounce, and climb it up, you know, and climb it to distribution zone. So now we're in accumulation. Yes. Basically, we're in accumulation just without divergence. So it's a bullish signal, but not like on many other altcoins. If we take a look on a monthly, we got order flow. So anyway, sooner or later, we'll come back and liquidate all these guys. You know, we got order flow. So monthly order flow over every single month, this range, we got someone huge stop losses. So even after this squeeze, it can be squeezed in August, September, October, November, we can liquidate all these guys and skyrocket to this target, you know. So this is how it works. This is how order flow works. And we can skyrocket to liquidate these guys. On monthly, yes, we also in accumulation stage. That's why to start selling, distribute your Quant, we have to form in something like this one on a monthly chart. And it can be the huge divergence, you know, on monthly on the charts, on ADZ like this one, on a chart like this one. So this is how it works. And we're still in accumulation. So now it's not a time. Even if we not test 27 zone, now it's not a time to sell Quant. You know, you can accumulate it step by step. So for example, if you scare, you know, you can accumulate, for example, now at 100, then 70, then 37, and then, for example, 10, just hypothetical. Your entry will be around 50. So just use your own risk management and don't fall in love in coin and not invest in one basket all your money. On weekly time frame, based on crypto flight direction, whales accumulate. Yes, of course, we can see the mitigation. You know, like I would like to show you just a local fib. So this, if it's a local fib, you can see we can test, for example, 78 level fib, 80. And after that, all this correction will be done. We close this gap and can pump much higher. So it's just mitigation to all this pump. Because previously, here from June 2022, well, when all altcoins bloody, you know, the Quant made 468%. You remember the June 2022, all altcoins and all markets suffering, but Quant is pumping. So crypto flight direction, market mood. Based on market mood, yes, we was only in disbelief zone here in May, June. It was disbelief zone. Now we're in just in a regular zone. We have to see drop to see one more time accumulation stage here based on a whale's sentiment. This is how it works. Let's take a look on trade on. And like you can see on trade on the weekly, we didn't see any signal to buy. It was a sell, recommendation close position pump, a new signal to sell on a weekly. Now we got only recommendation to sell. So it's not an option. So we have to see one new drop and signal to close your short and signal to buy, but it would be good. Main signal to buy, we can see around this zone. I don't want to scare you, you know, but maybe we'll not see the signal to buy. You know, we can see the drop like this one, pump it here, and new signal to sell. Distribute once again. So just work with your own risk. For me personally, Quant now at this current moment is kind of expensive, you know. But anyway, like you saw on other indicators, the whales accumulate. Yes. If we take a look on take profit, like you can see the line start curve so fast down, so fast here. Even in June, we was at 200 take profit line. Now take profit at 171. And these lines are curved down. So not so good signal, you know. That's why we can see the drop because you remember almost all altcoins traded under fundamental price. Quant traded under fundamental price only at this time. Now we're tested the buy line. So now we can see the drop even to fundamental value. It's $63. Buy line at 85. Take profit now at 171. I'm not sure, and I don't think so. We'll skyrocket like this one to 171. The main problem of Quant, we pump it this time when all market is suffering. So that's a problem. So the big whales can distribute once again, and maybe will form in the urgency. Maybe they will drop so hard to 38 to sweep this liquidity, and on ADZ we will see the urgency. So like you can see, this is not looks good now on Quant. So guys, this is the main target. So my main target for Quant, it's 638. And just imagine if we drop once again to, for example, 36, 35, it can be around 1,700% gain. So it's more than good, you know, for altcoins like this one for the next bull run.
Guys, if you want to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, only for $1 per day, just write me DM. All links will be on the description below. And you have to know, this indicator set works even on the free TradingView plan.
Guys, I hope you like this video about Quant. Write us in comment what do you think about this coin in general. Do you hold this coin in your portfolio or not? Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.